Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just making some pasta salad for lunch, so I figured I would just bring you along with me. So I'm using, this is the type of pasta that I'm using. It's boiling right now. It's the Banza Rotini made from chickpeas. So I'm making chickpea pasta to make it healthier, or lentil pasta is a good option, or regular pasta, gluten-free, whole wheat, whatever you want to do. So I'm boiling that right now. I'm going to cut up some of these tomatoes, some cucumber, and a little bit of Italian dressing, and I may or may not add something else, but let's get started. Okay, so I have these, any grape or cherry tomatoes work, but I have these, it's Kroger brand, Private Selection Petite Medley Snacking Tomatoes. So I don't think I've ever had these before. I'm just going to try these. I'm going to put, well, I did have them for breakfast, but I'm going to put a couple of these, put them up and quarter them. I have a little bit of this white onion left, so I think I'm just going to chop up just a little bit to give it a little bit more flavor. I'm going to cut up some cucumber. Alright, so I cooked my chickpea rotini and rinsed it in cool water, so it should be cooled down now. And this is what it looks like if you've never seen chickpea pasta. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in all my ingredients that I chopped up. Alright, so I decided I wanted to add a little bit of Colby cheese, so I'm going to add that in. I cut it into some small cubes. Alright, and then I wanted to add some pepper, salt, and then I'm going to add some Italian dressing. This one's almost empty, so I want to see what I can get out of it. And then if I need it, I might open my other bottle. I'm just trying to use up leftovers I have. I wanted to use up the rest of that cheese because it's going to go bad soon. I haven't really been using it. Same with that onion, this Italian dressing, everything. I'm trying to use it all up. I'm going to add a little bit more dressing. And some more. I love pepper, so I like to add a lot of pepper to things. Alright, and just a little bit more dressing. Okay. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. Mix that up real good. The dressing and seasonings obviously will come with taste. All right, so there is my healthy pasta salad. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, take care.